The dodo, Rhapis cuculatus, was a large, flightless bird native to Mauritius. It became extinct around 1690 due to hunting by sailors, habitat destruction, and the introduction of non-native animals like rats and monkeys, which ate dodo eggs. Since dodos had no natural predators before humans arrived, they were unafraid and easy to catch. Plesiosaurus lived around 252 million years ago during the late Permian and early Triassic periods. A small, stocky herbivore, about 3 to 8 feet, 1 to 2.5 meters long, had a beak-like mouth for eating plants. Strong limbs suggest it could dig burrows, possibly helping it survive harsh conditions. The woolly mammoth went extinct around 4,000 years ago. Most woolly mammoths disappear by the end of the Ice Age, about 10,000 years ago, due to climate change and human hunting. Elephant-like mammals were covered in thick fur and had long, curved tusks to help them survive the cold. The saber-toothed cat, Smilodon, went extinct around 10,000 years ago, near the end of the Ice Age. It was one of the most famous prehistoric predators, known for its long, curved canine teeth, which could grow up to 11 inches. Scientists believe its extinction was caused by climate change. Archaeopteryx lived around 150 million years ago during the late Jurassic period. Archaeopteryx had a mix of reptilian and avian features. Dinosaur traits: teeth, a long bony tail, and clawed fingers. Dilophosaurus lived around 193 million years ago during the early Jurassic period, not 160 million years ago. It went extinct long before the dinosaurs' mass extinction event. Unlike its Hollywood portrayal in Jurassic Park, there is no evidence that Dilophosaurus had a frill or spat venom. The Irish elk, Megalosaurus giganteus, went extinct around 8,000 years ago, near the end of the Ice Age. Despite its name, it was not actually an elk, but a type of giant deer. One of the largest deer species ever, standing about 7 feet, 2.1 meters, tall at the shoulders. Glyptodon, a giant, armored relative of modern armadillos, went extinct around 12,000 years ago during the end of the Ice Age. As big as a Volkswagen Beetle, about 10 feet, 3 meters, long and weighing over 2,000 pounds, 900 kilograms, had a huge domed shell made of bony plates, providing excellent defense, roaming grasslands and riverbanks before vanishing along with many other Ice Age megafauna.